Neuraltext iBusiness app. The pros, the cons. If your business needs faster content creation, Neuraltext I might sound like a dream tool. But is it really the right fit? Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Neuraltext excels at generating high-quality copy for blogs, emails, and social media. Its standout feature is AI-assisted research. The tool can analyze top-ranking pages and suggest relevant keywords and topics, saving hours of manual work. Many businesses report producing content up to 3 times faster while maintaining SEO optimization. Another advantage is its integration with popular content platforms, making it easier for teams to streamline workflow from ideation to publishing. However, there are drawbacks. Pricing can be high for small businesses or startups, especially if you need multiple users. Some users find that while Neuraltext generates good drafts, it still requires human editing to ensure tone, style, and factual accuracy. Another limitation is that I can occasionally produce generic suggestions if prompts are vague, which may not fully align with brand voice. Most people get this wrong. They assume generated content is fully ready to publish. The surprising truth is that it works best as a starting point, accelerating the process rather than replacing human creativity entirely. In conclusion, Neuraltext iBusiness app is a strong tool for teams looking to speed up content creation and optimize for SEO. It saves time, provides actionable insights, and supports creative workflows. But to get the best results, human oversight, clear prompts, and careful editing are essential. For businesses willing to invest in learning its features, Neuraltext can be a real productivity booster.